Do you want to make your lips fuller and sexier? I'm Sarah. I'm a professional makeup artist and a licensed esthetician, and I'm going to show you how to enhance your lips. To make your lips pop, you really want to make sure that they're well defined. So we're going to start with a lip liner and line just the outside of the natural lip line. Now that her lips are outlined, we're going to take the pencil and fill it in. I'm using a nude pencil on Ashley. This is just to set the base for her. Make sure everything sticks in. Very good. Next, you want to apply lipstick. This color is going to make your lips pop and try to stay on all night. So, on Ashley, I'm going to use a very close color to the lip liner. I think this will complement her skin very well. Very pretty, Ashley. Very pretty. Okay, and we're not done quite yet. After this, I think it's a great idea to put a nice dot of shimmery lip gloss, sheer lip gloss is fine, right in the center of the lips. Very nice. This is Ashley. She's my model today, and her lips are now fuller and sexier. I'm Sarah. You can check more of me out at glowbysarah.com.